Is this one V counter?
Which one?
This one? This one can hand carry, Huh? Very light. Chicken, okay.
It's a lot of junk balls. This is almost TLC level. It's very much. What is under the it will be minus less than grade.
The first aisle, please.
To the seat number which is reflected on your boarding pass. Your large cabin baggage such as trolley bags must be placed in the overhead compartment, and small carry-on items such as laptop cases and handbags are to be placed underneath the seat in front of you. Thank you for your cooperation.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is your captain from flight deck. My name is Saif Razam. Gives me the copy of First Officer Kurgunan and driver the crew. I'd like to welcome you aboard Flight A Asia D7672 bound to Singapore, serviced by Airbus 330-300. And we expect to push back on time this morning, and flight times 45 minutes to Singapore. I'll be taking off runway 33. And after airborne we commence left and flying over the Strait of Malacca at 23,000 feet, and weather is very good today. Weather forecast in Singapore during our arrival time also is very good, and we expect to commence our approach from the south of the island of Singapore. And if I have time, I'll come back to you again before we commence our descents, and meanwhile sit back and relax and enjoy the flights. And once again, thank you for flying with Asia.
for your full attention to the cabin crew in front of you. This is your seat belt. To fasten, insert the metal tip into the buckle and tighten the belt by pulling on the buckled strap. To unfasten, lift the metal flap. Whenever the seatbelt sign is on, you must return to your seat and fasten the seatbelt securely. Should an oxygen mask like this drop from the compartment above your seat, immediately pull the mask firmly towards you. Place the mask over your nose and mouth with the headband tightly around your head and breathe normally. Place your own mask first before assisting others under your care. Your life vest is under or next to your seat. To use it, slip it over your head like this. Clip on the waistband and pull it tight. At the exit before leaving the aircraft, pull both tags to inflate your life vest. Do not inflate your life vest until you are at the exit, as this would slow down the evacuation flow. Your life vest has 2 oral tubes for further inflation. The light comes on when in contact with water, and here is a whistle to attract attention. Evacuation slides are located at all exits. Please note where the emergency exits on the aircraft are located.